Hello friends, so today I need to give you my final thoughts review on Coach Kimmy, KCs, whatever you want to call it, Green Star. I really like this stuff. I've used it on bugs. I've used it on a bulldozer that was in a fire. I have used it on the engine bays, and I have used it on something else. Oh my gosh, I'm never going to remember. Anyway, I really like this stuff. This is a really good, strong cleaner. It gives you the clean that you need. It does not stain. I have not had a problem with it staining anything that it's touched. It did work really good on the bugs on the front end of the BMW. And it also worked good on the bugs on the front of a minivan that I did. So I'm actually very, very pleased with it. The smell, it's really not much different than Simple Green. If you know what Simple Green smells like, I really like that scent. It just has a clean scent. I mean, you know you're getting whatever you're cleaning clean with scent alone. So I really do like that. Now, I do think that I would purchase this again. If I had more outside customers, I'd probably make sure I had another bottle before it ran out, because I'm almost out. But, you know, it is how it is. That's how it goes. There's nothing we can do about it. Eventually, we go through these bottles. But this did a really good job on the bulldozer. Now, the bulldozer was a mess. I mean, the smoke smell, it was very difficult to cut through it. I mean, it's very hard. Even though I had done a little bit of research after the fact, it is very hard to get a smoke and fire smell out of any establishment and any kind of surfaces. For some reason, it just grounds itself in. I don't know if newbies are really familiar with the KCx line. Up until recently, I was not familiar with it. So I do suggest that you try some Coach Kimmy. I really do. I suggest you give it a try and see what you think about it. And I'm not talking, you know, Green Star only. You can get Polestar. You can get some of their polishes. You can get even some of their GSF, which is their gentle snow foam. You can get some FU, which is their scented stuff for making the vehicle smell better. You could get some of that. I mean, you know, if you're dealing with the smoker's car, that might help. I do like that stuff too. So there's just a whole line of KCx products that you can get your hands on. They are relatively affordable. This is the biggest that they have on most everything. This is the leader. So just keep that in mind. But you're getting a good deal. And when it comes to dilution, you can dilute it and it still have some power. Even on the bugs and stuff that I was doing on the BMW, I had this diluted 30-to-1 in my bottle. So 30-to-1, and it still did that kind of job on the bugs. You betcha. That is definitely the sign of a good product. So you will get what you pay for, believe me. I wasn't sure about it in the beginning, and I wasn't even sure how to use these, to be honest with you. Now, the reason I say that is because I had never had them before. I hope you guys get a chance to give the KCx, Coach Kimmy, whatever you want to call it, products a give a shot. I mean, they deserve a place in the millions of detailing products as well. So give them a try whenever you get the chance. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes.